Hello, my name is Mary Kalenda. Welcome to your Standing Yoga Flow for beginners. Use these next few minutes to get familiar with a few foundational standing yoga poses. No yoga mat is needed if you can practice this class on a non-slippery floor. Let's breathe, move, and have fun together. Coming to a comfortable standing position. Either place your feet hip-width distance or close the gap in between your big toes and find a sliver between your heels. For Samastitihi, guide your hands toward your heart. If you'd like to, you can close your eyes. We're going to take 3 deep breaths together. Breathe in deeply into your lower abdomen. Add another sip of air into your chest. Slowly breathe out of your mouth. Again, deep belly breath in. Expand through your ribs as well. Slow exhale out of your mouth. Once more, deeply inhale into your lower abdomen. Widen your chest as well. This time, breathe out through your nose. Nice. Gently open your eyes. Arms by your side. Inhale, extended mountain pose, Urdhva Hastasana. Sweep your arms up, hold and breathe here. Press down through all 4 corners of each foot. Micro bend your knees, pull your navel in, widen your chest. Take one more deep inhale, extend through your fingertips. Exhale, standing back bend, Anyavitasana. Place your hands onto your lower back, lift your heart and slowly lean back. Keep the weight evenly distributed in your feet. Pull your belly button in, roll your shoulders down your back. Inhale, extended mountain, bring your arms back up. Exhale, forward fold Uttanasana, hinge from your hips. Either place your hands on your legs or on the ground. Deeply bend your knees. Create a shelf for your belly on your thighs. Release the crown of your head down. And if you'd like to, you can bend one leg and then the other to warm up your hamstrings. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Either place your hands on your shins or your upper thighs. Extend the crown of your head forward. Loop your shoulders back. Shift your weight forward to activate your core muscles. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale and fold again. Root to rise. Inhale, send your arms up into the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Now bring your hands toward your hips and step your feet leg distance apart. I'm mirroring you. From deep within your right hip socket, rotate your right leg out so that your right toes are facing the side of your space. Place your left foot at a small angle. Deeply bend your right knee so your knee is above your ankle or slightly behind. Open up your arms to the front and back for Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Press down your left heel to activate your back leg. Pull your belly button in, melt your shoulder blades down. Gaze over your front middle finger. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, extended side angle, Utthita Parshva Konasana. Lightly rest your right elbow on top of your thigh. Raise your left arm toward the sky. Create a long line of energy between your back heel and the crown of your head. Rotate your heart up. Inhale, reverse warrior, Viparita Virabhadrasana. Reach your right arm up, lower your left arm, and breathe. Recommit to your front lunge. Keep your core activated. Lift your chest. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, bring your hands back to your hips and parallel your feet again. From deep within your left hip socket, rotate your left leg out so that your left toes are facing the side of your space. Place your right foot at a small angle. Deeply bend your left knee so your knee is above your ankle or slightly behind. Extend your arms to the front and back for Warrior Two again. Anchor down your right heel to firm up your back leg. Activate your core muscles. Release your shoulder blades down your back. Gaze over your front middle finger. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Softly rest your left elbow on top of your thigh. Lift your right arm up toward the sky. Re-establish that long line of energy between your back heel and the crown of your head. Rotate your chest up. Inhale, reverse warrior. Send your left arm up, lower your right arm. Keep breathing. Recommit to your front bend. Stay strong in your core. Lift your heart. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale. Place your hands on your hips and parallel your feet again. Inhale, puff up your chest and lean back. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold, Prasarita Padottanasana. Hinge from your hips and fold. Whatever feels best to you, either place your hands on your thighs, legs, or the ground. Lift the inner arches of your feet as you firm your outer ankles in. Microbend your knees. Hollow out your belly. Release the crown of your head down. Take a few cycles of breath here. Slowly bring your hands back to your hips. Inhale, come halfway up, pause and exhale. On your next breath in, come all the way up. On your breath out, either toe heel or jump your feet together and come back into Samastitihi. Bring your hands once again to your heart. Thank yourself for carving these few minutes out of your day to embrace the standing yoga sequence for beginners. Namaste. I hope to see you soon again. Have a wonderful day or evening.